We have received a lot of questions regarding whole food versus synthetics. Take mussels, for example. Mussels are whole food filled with nutrients. They have a multitude of vitamins and minerals that all work together in a specific way. Now, if we took the synthetic of just one of the minerals, isolating that one nutrient, the body will take from its stored supply all the other missing parts that it would get from the whole foods, or in this example, the mussels. This is why synthetics may appear to work for a while and then stop working. The body treats these synthetic ingredients as foreign substances to the body and can cause immune reactions or allergies. Sometimes there is too much of a good thing. Look for quality whole food treats that still provide your pet with all the nutritional value.